Today we'll explore how glucose and carbohydrates affect our body, why managing them is important, and practical ways to reduce excess glucose in our diet. Carbohydrates break down into glucose, the body's main energy source. Every culture's diet relies heavily on carbs, but excessive intake can have health consequences. Glucose is vital for life. Our brain needs it continuously, and our muscles depend on it during activity. Without glucose, normal function becomes impossible. Muscles store glycogen, which acts like a ready fuel tank. During exercise, glycogen quickly converts into glucose to power contractions. Glucose is stored mainly in the liver and muscles. These reserves keep blood sugar stable and supply energy during daily activity. Insulin is the key that unlocks cells. It allows glucose to enter, either to be used immediately for energy or stored for later. In type 1 diabetes, insulin is missing. Glucose stays in the blood instead of entering cells, leading to dangerously high blood sugar. In type 2 diabetes, insulin is present, but cells ignore it. This resistance keeps blood glucose chronically high and stresses the body. When glucose intake is consistently high, the extra is converted into fat. Over time, this promotes obesity and metabolic syndrome. Traditional Asian diets are among the highest in carbohydrates, largely from rice. At the other extreme, ketogenic diets are very low in carbs, focusing instead on fat and protein. In India, rice and roti dominate. The Middle East relies on pita, Europe on bread, Africa on cassava, and Asia on rice and noodles. Every region has its own staple carb. A Punjabi breakfast of paratha can give 60 to 80 grams of carbs. Lunch with rice, roti, and dal can reach 100 to 120 grams. Dinner with roti and sabzi adds another 80 to 100 grams. A Bengali breakfast of luchi can give 50 to 70 grams of carbs. Lunch with rice and fish can reach 120 to 150 grams. Dinner with rice, roti, and veg sabzi adds another 100 to 120 grams. A Gujarati breakfast of tepla dokla can give 40 to 60 grams of carbs. Lunch with roti and dal can reach 100 to 120 grams. Dinner with khichdi adds another 80 to 100 grams. A Kerala breakfast of appam/puttu can give 60 to 80 grams of carbs. Lunch with rice and sambar can reach 120 to 150 grams. Dinner with rice or kanji adds another 80 to 100 grams. Bengali, Gujarati, and Keralite diets are also rich in carbs, with meals often exceeding 100 grams of carbohydrates. These traditional foods are nourishing but can push intake far above daily needs. To reduce glucose spikes, swap some rice and bread for vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats. Portion control, especially with rice and roti, is key. The goal is balance, not deprivation. By adjusting traditional meals, smaller servings of rice, more vegetables, more pulses, and protein, we can lower carb load while keeping cultural flavors intact.